The easy-to-use UltraSpa has a two-stage cleaning process, which uses both a professional-grade ultrasonic and high-pressure steamer to properly clean and maintain the like-new sparkle of your jewelry. When you are ready to begin setting up your UltraSpa, make sure not to plug in the unit until the following steps have been completed. Place the UltraSpa on your counter near an electrical outlet. Firmly insert the stainless steel basket in the slot located underneath the steam nozzle. You can place the UltraSpa with the steam residue mat positioned on your counter under the nozzle. Carefully unscrew the fill cap on top and insert the funnel into the hole. Fill the measuring cup with tap water to the indicated 5-ounce mark. Slowly pour it into the funnel. Repeat this a second time. Please remember to never overfill the tank. An overfilled tank will not produce steam, but instead a sputtering hot water. This is because the tank will not have sufficient space for the steam to be stored. After the precise amount of water has been poured into the steamer tank, replace the fill cap by tightening. Do not over-tighten it though. Once you fill the steamer tank, you can then move on to filling the ultrasonic. Remove the ultrasonic basket from the tank and fill the ultrasonic tank to the indicated max fill mark, which is seen on the back wall of the ultrasonic. For enhanced cleaning and best results, it is recommended that you add the GEMORO Sparkle Pack Plus ultrasonic cleaning solution to the water. The Sparkle Pack Plus cleaning solution is sold separately. From here, you can insert the ultrasonic basket into the tank. You can now plug in the UltraSpa's power cord into an electrical outlet. Flip on the power switch from the O mark to the I mark, and the steam power indicator will illuminate. Within minutes, the steamer will be ready to use. To turn on the ultrasonic cleaner, press the button on top of the UltraSpa, labeled Ultrasonic Power/Timer. The blue LED within the ultrasonic tank compartment will then illuminate. When you're ready to use the ultrasonic cleaner, place your jewelry into the basket, close the lid, and press the ultrasonic power button. The ultrasonic will operate for a 6-minute cleaning cycle and then automatically shut off. To help remove stubborn buildup, the ultrasonic can be run multiple times as needed. To turn off the ultrasonic cleaning function, all you have to do is press the power button for a second time. The steamer may be used as soon as it has built up sufficient pressure to illuminate the green LED steamer ready light. Using the tweezers, hold the jewelry approximately 1 inch beneath the steam nozzle. To safely steam clean more delicate gemstones and jewelry, simply place the items in the basket located below the steam nozzle, where the steam is cooler. Be aware that both the fill cap and steam nozzle are hot. Then press down on the rear steam activation lever to release the steam. The steamer's lever is located on the top of the unit just behind the fill cap. When you are ready to steam, push the steam nozzle down using short bursts. This will prolong the maximum steam pressure. For best results, place your jewelry in the ultrasonic for a deep clean and finish off by blasting away any remaining residue on your jewelry with the steamer. The UltraSpa steamer can be used to clean many other household items, similar to the images shown here. Now that you know how to use the UltraSpa, you can easily clean and maintain your jewelry like a pro, all in the convenience of your home. Any of our GEMORO dealers would be happy to offer their assistance for your purchasing needs. However, if you have a technical question or require support, please contact GEMORO directly.